Dolly enjoys blue cotton candy, and Redhead is on her phone. Take a break from it and have a snack. But she can enjoy something sweet even without taking a break from her phone. She just turns it over and bites off an edible pop socket. Add a drop of food coloring to fondant and knead it. Divide it into 2 parts. Shape one into a cylinder and make a circle from the other. Add colorful sprinkles onto the circle. Make the edges of the cylinder wider. Dampen the top with water and attach the circle as a mushroom cap. Use water to attach the pop socket to a silicone phone case. Such an amazing edible phone accessory! Do whatever you want. Hold your phone with it or bite it off. Now the blue cotton candy doesn't seem so cool for Dolly. It only colored her tongue blue, and the sweet pop socket is a different story. Dolly adores playing Tetris. She is ready to switch everything around in the real life. She switches bottles so that they look better. She even turns over her friend so that she fits into the interior better. But Redhead doesn't like hanging upside down. If Dolly loves Tetris so much, she will get a Tetris phone case. Make a Tetris pattern using colored Frutella candies. Attach them to a phone case. Unwrap a candy. Cut off the excess. Put it back into the wrapper. Attach a few candies like this around the camera. Dolly really loves her phone case. She can eat one detail after another and put a candy into her mouth at a perfect angle. Let's eat the candy to celebrate our victories. My friend and I arranged to meet, but she is always late. It's great that I've got a phone case with a candy stash. At least I won't get hungry. Cut 6 candies out of a regular package. Cut off a part of the box to fit the size. And attach the cardboard border. Cut a lid out of the big box. Print and attach a small label. Hot glue the reduced box to the phone case. I take out a candy out of my phone case stash. It will definitely make the time fly while I'm waiting, especially since my friend is still half an hour late. She must have been waiting for me in a different place all this time. I eat one more candy to calm down. They say that sugar makes you calm. I needed a whole box of the candies to calm down. There is only one candy left, and here comes my friend. It's a pity she's gotten so little yummies. Latecomers do not eat candies. My friend has a whole bowl of popcorn. A popcorn championship starts now. We know all the funny ways to eat popcorn. But it's the first time that we see popcorn on a phone. Cut corn on the cob. Cut off the kernels. Soak some gelatin in water to get a thick glue. Attach the kernels to the case. Glue some popcorn to the bottom part. Use the gelatin mixture again. Take out a few kernels and put in the popcorn instead. This case didn't heat up properly. Half of the corn isn't ready yet. But it doesn't stop us from enjoying the snack. We nearly start a fight for the corn case. Redhead even bites the corn. Be careful not to eat the phone. There's a fruit bowl on the table. Let's see what's in here. Oranges, pears, and a flat apple. Oh no, this is a phone in an apple case. Cover your phone with plastic wrap. Roll out white fondant and put it on the phone. Use a straw to create teeth marks on it. Cut out a layer of fondant, shaping the bite mark. Form the bottom part of the apple. Make a hole for a stem with a toothpick. Cut out a camera hole. Cut off the excess fondant. Make holes for the connectors. Paint the phone case with food coloring. Paint the bitten part yellow and cover the rest in red. Take a stem from a real apple and attach it to the case with edible glue. This apple case is so bright and nice smelling. I think it's fondant. Let's try it. I'm right! I can have a snack easily. Take a bite of the creative apple case while you are on social media. Did you like the new edible phone case ideas? Then write in your comments which case you would like to taste, an apple, a popcorn, or an Oreo case. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new weird edible ideas on the Troom Troom channel.